Wendy at Scrapbook Graphics. Today we're going to take a very quick look at the silver and gold actions. Included in the set is also a copper version because my testers decided that the gold wasn't gold enough, so I kept the copper and I made another gold one, so you get an extra set of actions here. In each of the actions, the gold, copper, and silver, you have a rough action, a smooth action, a rough border action, and a smooth border action. The action is designed to run on type or a shape, so go ahead and just create whatever it is you want to turn into metal. Have that layer selected. We're going to work on a circle here first, so I have that circle selected, and I have the rough gold option here, and I'm going to press play. When the action's complete, just press continue, and you are left with your object in a rough gold version here. So let's go ahead and close out of that. This time I'm going to select the type, and I'll run the smooth copper version. When you're done, press continue, and you can see here this is a much smoother effect on this one than the sort of dinged up rough one. And let's go ahead and close out of that one. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and use the circle again and run the silver border. Now with this one, you actually have an option, and what this controls is how thick or thin your border is. So if I put in 36 pixels here, and then here I can, that was basically increasing the outer edge of that by 36 pixels, and then I want to make sure that I contract this even more than that if I want it to overlap the element that's underneath it. So at a minimum, I should put in 36, but in general, I like to go ahead and do double whatever I did before. And press continue. So you can see here the thickness of that. So that was using 36 and 72. Let's run it again and do half that, just so you can see the difference. This time I'll use the smooth one and press continue. So this time I'll go ahead and leave it at 18 and 36. And you'll see here it's a thinner border there. And your original layer is left here intact, so you can turn that on or off. So this is a great way to do alphas or other type flare elements where you want to have that border around your object. So that's a quick look at silver and gold and copper. I hope you like these actions, and I'll see you next time.